Right guys, last time I got some filler primer on this and we can start building it up and start like showing it a bit of age, beating it up a bit, etc. So it won't be having that nice paint job. So now it's got its filler primer on, which the yellow will act as like the base coat, so when I rub certain panels down to for weathering, when I hit the yellow through all the paints, I know I'm perfect for rusting there, and that's my limit, and not to go beyond the yellow paint. So all I'm going to do now is cover it in grey primer. Just a nice coat, not 2 coats, 3 coats, just one nice coat of grey primer, and then we're going to give that about 20 minutes, and then I'm going to come out with a couple of various colours, maybe a blue, green, I don't know. Spray up some arches, different colours, so it's like in the past it's had new wings put on, maybe a new bonnet underneath, and then when we get the final coat on there over all the different colours, when I come to rubbing it down, it will technically show age or like history of the truck, if you will. So it could show like it's been in an accident and the panel's been replaced in the past, and you'll see that through the old beat up paintwork. So there's method to the madness. There always is. So I'll just stuff some paper in there at a minute. I don't want too much overspray of all the paints getting inside the cab. I'd like it just to stay yellow under there if possible. But yeah, that's pretty much that. So we're going to hit it with some grey and then wash it with some various colours and just make it look a mess, and then it'll get its final coat of paint in the next couple of days when I've decided which colours to go over the top to then rub it down. Seems pointless, but no harm in trying stuff, is there? I'm sick of all sheeny shiny trucks all the time. I can't play with them, I'm scared of scratching them, and at least this way, hell, it don't matter, does it? Let's get this primed. Let's get up under all the window edges. So that'll do nicely for that one. Just give it a little while now to dry off, and then we'll come and just blast it with a few various colours. So I've just gone and got a few colours. I've got a red primer, so that'll look good when flattening through. I've got a blue, fluorescent orange, white, matte black. I did have a pink, but that was an enamel. And I've got some gunmetals and silvers, but I just feel like I use them a hell of a lot when I'm spraying, so I won't going to bother with them. But I have a feeling I might like the look of this in matte black actually, or even finaling like a red primer. So this could go a whole nother way now. This is the thing with painting, I don't know, it can really set your creative mind off and just go wild. So I think the best thing to do is I'll just shake the cans up and we'll just go at it and see what happens there. So once upon a time, the hood, the bonnet was red. Going to take this one, this one, this one, and this one for reasons. The grey primer has returned along with the red primer. Why? Well, I've just hit this with a red over the grey and I just love it like this. I think it looks awesome. Proper, just, I don't know, I love the matte red. I just love it with the primer grey and primer patches and everything else. So we're just going to dust it up now in just grey and red primer, and I'm just going to leave it at that because, yeah, I like this, and then weathering through these patches, perfecto. But it just goes to show just how fast you can change your mind when it comes to painting, and why some of you might find it such a difficult task to even choose a colour scheme. It can take months, but as you've just seen, we've just gone from like one idea which I've had planned in my head for a while now of what I want to do, just gone to do it, and it's turned out something else. So let's dust it up with some of this. So it's already in like restoration look, if you will. You know what I mean? New doors. New wing. The old one with some patches being rubbed in. We'll rub into some of this, get some rust. I'm loving this look. So let's have a play with some red primer now. Suited with this, how it is. Now I could have masked panels up and then primed them and stuff, but then it all would have looked too square. I don't know, with the bits of overspray, I don't know, I like it with the overspray and stuff. And because there's grey under it and red under it, and I've gone over places and then over it again, at least when I come to rubbing it down, I'll be rubbing through the primers. So I won't be rubbing through different colours of paint, but I'll be rubbing through primers. But once places have been rubbed down and stuff, you can kind of see the effects we're going to get. And then like the corners of the doors around here where it's all scuffed, I'll gently rub all this down to the yellow where we had, and then I'll get some rusting techniques done with you, and start putting some rusty patches on there, and yeah, just give it that old looking character. So I don't think I'm going to lacquer this either, just leave it like it's, I don't know, part body shop working I'm not bothered about it like that now. If it gets a scuff, it gets a scuff. It all adds to the character. I can just rub that out. Always just top it up with primer and stuff if it gets badly battered. But as you've seen, it's so easy to change your mind through painting. I had the idea of all these colours and then finishing it in a gold and green, and I'm really happy with that. So I'll get this baked off now, and then I can get it put back together. I can take it out for a run, see how it looks, I guess. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like it, give me a like, drop me a comment down below, and if you're not subscribed, please do hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, and I shall catch you guys in the next video. Ciao for now, guys.